On a warm June afternoon, Levi and Thaddy G sat side by side on the brightly painted wooden porch, the sun casting a golden hue over their lively, cheerful neighborhood. The scent of freshly mowed grass danced in the air as laughter echoed from the nearby playground. Both men had just finished grilling some burgers for their families, the smoky aroma mingling with the sweet scent of summer. With light hearts and full bellies, they pulled out the Father's Day cards their children had given them. Levi's card was decorated with bright crayons, clearly crafted by his little daughter, Lily. As he opened it, a rush of colored paper flew out. Inside, scrawled in her wobbly handwriting, she had written, "You are my superhero. I love you, Daddy." His eyes sparkled with joy as he glanced over at Thaddy G and smiled. Then seconds on, Thaddy G grinned, holding up his own card, which was artfully painted by his son, Max. "Check this out," he said, unfolding it carefully. The card proclaimed, "Dad, you make the best pancakes and tell the best stories. I love you to the moon and back." Thaddy G chuckled, his heart beamed with joy. The two friends exchanged more smiles, the bond of fatherhood bringing them even closer. "It's moments like these that really matter, huh?" Levi said, his voice warm. Thaddy G nodded. "Absolutely. We might be just dads, but to our kids, we're everything.